Hello parents, welcome to yet another episode of Letter Formation. Today we will be going to finish our horizontal and vertical strokes in this episode. In the last episode we have done L, F, E. In today's episode I'll teach you how to write the uppercase letters H, T, I and U. So let's begin. For writing the letter H, what you can do is put a dot here. Take the pencil down, jump, again a standing line and sleeping line. Likewise for the students, what you can do is, one option is tracing line, other is you can tell them that you can use a black marker, you can use a pink sketch pen and you can use 3 colors like what I am doing. So now you can tell your child or your student that you have to start with the black marker like this, then the blue marker, the blue pen, and then you will do the sleeping line from the pink dot, that is like this. This is one way to teach your child. Another I have told you, that is the tracing line. Next comes the letter T. Letter T is also a jumping letter. Now how to write T? First we'll be doing a standing line and then a sleeping line. How to teach T to your child? What you can do is make 2 dots, one here and one here. So you can tell your child that make a slanting line from the pink dot, that is like this, and a sleeping line from the black dot, that is like this, T. Now coming to the letter I. First you'll make a standing line, then a sleeping line, then again a sleeping line. In the same way, you can tell your child to make again you'll make a dot, and then you can tell your child that you have to make 2 sleeping lines from the pink dot, like this and like this. Last but not the least is the letter U. For the letter U, you make a standing line, line, make a curve, and then again go up. A standing line, a curve and up. Make a pink dot, make 2 pink dots. Again you can tell your child, make a standing line, go down, make a curve and then again go up. So in today's episode you have seen the letters H, T, I and U.